How to download bank statements on TD Bank. Now, there are ways on how you can download your bank statement on TD Bank. It's either you can download it via using your laptop or PC, or you can also do this by using your mobile device. Now, if you're using your mobile device, you just have to make sure that you're currently running or using uh, the TD Bank application that is updated to the latest version. Now, once you're here, you'll just have to log into your account. Make sure that you remember your username and password. Now, once you're logged in, all you have to do is to select a single account to view. Now, after that, select that Accounts, Statement, and Notice tab. If you're using the mobile application, the option that you will choose is only Statements. Now, select the time frame and then you can print and download or save the statement for your own records. This is going to be a fixed PDF file, so there's no need for you to worry. In the online banking navigation menu, you can select account options and then select statements and notice settings if you're using the application. So that's how easy and quick you can download your TD Bank statement.